Hey guys, welcome back to Solar Sessions with Ben. This is Ben, I'm Brandon, we're with Belmont Solar. Today, the solar question we're gonna answer is how long do solar panels actually last?
Solar panels, they last a long time, especially what's on the roof. There's no moving parts. They have a 25 to 30 year warranty. So 25 or 30 years plus is very realistic. Most people say the realistic lifetime is about double the warranty period. So that is 50 or 60 years.
Okay. But nothing breaks in those 50 years? Everything lasts?
So I am not just a salesperson, so most salespeople will tell you it's all fine and dandy. However, there is an electronic component to the system that will probably not last 30 plus years. So you will have a replacement cost of maybe $2,000 every 20 years or so, but by then your system has already paid for itself and you're enjoying all the rewards of it. So there is a little bit of cost even though there's no moving parts.
Gotcha. So it's not very different than having a car and replacing a small part on your car every so many years. But it sounds like the solar maintenance is even less frequent than car maintenance.
And it's predictable.
Gotcha. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.